Hi! Would you like to learn how to take amazing photographs using just your iPhone? My name is Michael and I successfully taught over 50,000 students on Udemy how to do some great things. In this top-rated iPhone photography course, we explore all around the camera app, including various settings in the menu. We go through all the different types of photos you can take, things like live, burst, time-lapse and slow-mo, as well as other important details like stance and how to grip your phone correctly. In section 2, we go through the principles of photography, things like the rule of thirds, perspective, lead lines and diagonals. Then we move on to different equipment. We look at tripods, different lenses and professional quality gimbals. And then to conclude in the final section, we focus on editing and how we can edit directly on our iPhones using Apple's own Photos app, as well as looking at other popular editing apps available in the App Store. As you can see, this is probably the most comprehensive iPhone photography course available anywhere on the internet, which will immediately improve the quality of your photography. And the best bit, it comes with a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. So why not check it out now, click on the link and enroll today.